Want your screen to wake when you lift the phone or double tap it? I will show you where Samsung keeps both controls, how to turn them on or off, and what to check when double tap does not respond. Start on the home screen. Swipe up to open apps, then tap Settings. In Settings, tap Search Settings near the top right. Type Motions and Gestures. Tap the matching result under Advanced Features, then tap Motions and Gestures. The first three switches are Lift to Wake, Double tap to turn on screen, and double tap to turn off screen. Use the Lift to Wake switch to enable or disable that feature. When it is on, picking up the phone can wake the display without pressing a button. Android devices may call the same idea Raise to Wake. Turn the switch off if normal movement wakes the screen too often, or turn it on for quicker access. Turn on double tap to turn on screen, and double tap to turn off screen. The description under the off switch confirms that you must double tap an empty space on the home or lock screen. Go to the home screen and double tap a clean empty area. The visible screen off result confirms that gesture. For waking, the description under the other switch confirms that double tapping the screen turns it on. Use empty space rather than an icon or widget, because those elements can intercept your taps. If double tap is not working, return to Motions and Gestures and can confirm both double tap switches are blue. Try a clean empty part of the home or lock screen and remove anything covering the sensor area. Keep screen on while viewing is a separate feature. It uses the front camera to keep the display awake while you are looking at it. The same page also lists Alert when phone picked up, Mute with gestures, and Palm Swipe to capture, so avoid changing those unless you need them. Here is the path again. Open Settings, search for Motions and Gestures, open the Advanced Features result, and tap Motions and Gestures. Use Lift to wake for pickup activation. Enable double tap to turn on screen, and double tap to turn off screen for touch control. The setting itself says to test the off gesture on empty home screen space, while the wake setting says a double tap turns the screen on. Keep the switches off if you prefer the power button only. You can return here at any time to change each gesture separately. If this helped, tap like and subscribe for more Android guides.